Nintendo brought the big guns to E3 2021, announcing Metroid Dread, the first new 2D Metroid game in 19 years, and showing off the sequel to Breath of the Wild, possibly their most anticipated game ever. A slate of new games were also announced for the Switch, including Mario Party Superstars, a new iteration of the popular party game franchise, which releases October 29th. Some footage of Mario Golf Super Rush was also showcased, with new Speed Golf and Battle Golf multiplayer modes. The game will launch June 25th. Nintendo's popular minigame collection series returns with WarioWare Get It Together on September 10th, with new cooperative minigames for players to complete, along with the standard competitive fare. The Switch-exclusive RPG Shin Megami Tensei 5 was also shown ahead of its November 12th release, with a classic turn-based battle system and a post-apocalyptic Tokyo setting. Nintendo also announced a remaster of the first two Advance Wars games for the GBA, set for release as Advance Wars 1+2 Reboot Camp on December 3rd. Alongside these other announcements, Nintendo also showed off over a dozen new games coming to the Switch over the next year, including titles like Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy and Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1+2. Nintendo announced Metroid Dread, the first new 2D Metroid game in 19 years, at the E3 2021 Nintendo Direct. Rumored to be in development for a long time, Metroid Dread features 3D graphics in a 2D side-scrolling perspective in the signature Metroidvania gameplay style the series is known for. The game is a direct sequel to 2002's Metroid Fusion and finishes the 5-part saga of Samus Aran that began with the original Metroid in 1994. The game's trailer shows off a darker horror setting, with Samus visiting a mysterious planet hunted by deadly robots. Metroid Dread releases on October 8th for the Nintendo Switch. Nintendo showed off a new trailer for their upcoming sequel to The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. The game's title is still under wraps, as Nintendo says it could give away important story details to players. The new trailer shows off the game's darker tone, while Link gets a kind of gauntlet on his right arm that can be used for abilities. The Hyrule map has been expanded to include floating islands, adding new verticality to the game. The sequel to the Breath of the Wild is slated to release in 2022 for the Nintendo Switch. Samsung has announced that the Galaxy Tab S7 FE and Tab A7 Lite will launch in India on June 18th. The tablets will be available starting June 23rd. The price of these tablets in India is not yet known. The Galaxy Tab S7 FE sports a 12.4-inch display, a Snapdragon 750G processor, and up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, along with a 10,090 mAh battery. The Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, meanwhile, sports an 8.7-inch display, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, along with a 5,100 mAh battery. Cyberpunk 2077 will return to the PlayStation Store next week, Sony confirmed, 6 months after the game listing was removed following a buggy and unstable launch. CD Projekt Red's RPG was one of the most anticipated games ahead of release, but was mired in controversy after many console players experienced game-ruining crashes and bugs, causing Sony to remove the game from their store. Sony has warned players that the game may still not play well on the base PS4, saying that it recommends playing on the PS4 Pro or PS5 for the best experience. Instagram has rewarded Indian developer Mayur Fartade $30,000 for discovering a security flaw in its app. The developer came across a bug that would allow hackers to view a story or post of any user, even those with a private account. He discovered a method to generate a content delivery network URL that could render any protected image or video publicly viewable. Fartade disclosed the bug to Instagram on April 16th, and the company patched the vulnerability by June 15th, along with awarding him the prize money from Facebook's bug bounty program.